Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is what happens if you don't have health insurance. So more than 90% of the US population has health insurance which can keep more than 90% of the US population has health insurance which can keep your medical bills much lower than if you had to pay for care yourself. Medical debt is a major problem in the US, with 17.8% of individuals having medical debt in collection, according to a 2021 study published in the Journal of the American Association JAMA. If you don't have health insurance, you are at much greater risk of accumulating medical bills that you may not be able to pay. In a worst case scenario, you could be used How can you tackle medical debate? Understanding the health insurance policy. Time take to review your health insurance plan carefully. Still be spend the collection even if you are making payments. If you particularly pay or make regular payments but go past the due date, the remaining amount of your bill could be sent to the collection agency. Take to your provider if you can't afford all of what due. They may be willing to set up the payment plan negotiations a lower price. Avoiding credit cards, while it might be tempting to put your medical debate on your credit cards, doing so can do more harm than good. If you cannot afford to pay your credit card bill in full, certain credit cards may come with much higher interest rates and easily increase the total amount of your debate. Considering credit counseling credit counseling agency are non-profit that can help with your medical debate. You can use the National Foundation for Credit Counseling to find a reputable agency to penalties. The Affordable Care Act initially requires that nearly all Americans have health insurance or get hit with a tax penalty. Congress later eliminated the federal penalty, but some states have their own health insurance mandatory. So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.